Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove phone number from Gmail. First of all, you can open any browser that you use. I can open Google. So now you can tap on the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can now tap on manage your Google account. And after this, you can now go to the personal info section, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now you can see the option phone, tap on it, and after a few seconds of loading you can just simply select the number that you want to remove. I can select this number. After this you can just simply see the delete option at the top right corner of the phone number, and it is a way you can delete phone number from Gmail. If you want to remove the phone number on Google account, the phone number is automatically deleted on Gmail. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.